Morning students. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is basic geometrical ideas. In geometry we have to study different concepts. So that we have to study in this lesson. So first, that is, plane means what? A plane is a flat surface that extends in all directions. Plane बोले तो ground, जैसा अपना जो ground रहता है ना उसे plane कहा जाता है. This body is also just like a plane. Means plane surface which is extending infinitely direction, okay, in all direction. And one thing is that it has no height or thickness. That plane, it is a plane surface, it has no height and thickness. This you have to keep in mind that. And all the definition you study from the textbook, page number 140. All the definition, and these definitions are very important, will be asked in exam also. Okay, so plane, it is a flat surface which extends in all directions. Then another one, point. Point is what? When we are putting this chalk here, we get like this mark. So that point is nothing but it is a location or a mark on a plane. कि किसी भी प्लेन के ऊपर रखे वाले जो रहते हैं पॉइंट रहते हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं, मार्क रहते हैं, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, पॉइंट बोलते हैं. सो ए पॉइंट इज ए मार्क और पोजीशन और लोकेशन ऑन ए प्लेन. किसी भी चीज का लोकेशन दिखाने के लिए पॉइंट का यूज किया जाता है. जैसा कि इन आर दैट मैप, जो नक्काशे रहते हैं, मैप्स रहते हैं, वो मैप्स में क्या करते हैं, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स दे आर इंडिकेटेड, डिफरेंट प्लेसेस दे आर इंडिकेटेड बाय द पॉइंट्स. So in this way, point is nothing but it is a mark or position or location. Now see, they can be denoted like this: point A, point B, point C in shortly. You study from that page number 140, 141 carefully all the definitions. After one, line. Line is what? You know that line is a straight path that extends indefinitely in both direction. लाइन क्या होती है, दोनों डायरेक्शन में इनफिनिटली डिस्टेंस तक एक्सटेंड की जाती है, उसे कहा जाता है लाइन. ओके, एंड इट इज डिनोटेड लाइक दिस AB, that it has two arrows to the both sides. They indicate that this line is extending both in the direction. So in figure, AB is the line, so that is denoted by like this AB, and on that here it is denoted like this by drawing two arrows. Okay, this is the symbol to denote the line. So line is nothing but it is a straight path which extends in both directions. Now line segment. Line segment, it is a part of a line. ये जो लाइन होती है, लाइन का थोड़ा सा अगर आपने पार्ट लिया, लिमिटेड पार्ट ऑफ ए लाइन, इट इज कॉल्ड एज ए लाइन सेगमेंट. Limited part, and we can measure its length. Okay, but we can't measure the length of line. We can easily measure the length of this segment. Segment is nothing but it is a part of a line. इसी लाइन से थोड़ा सा पार्ट कट करके क्या बना सकते हैं, अपन लाइन सेगमेंट बना सकते हैं. A line segment is a part of a line. It has two end points in figure like this. That segment is denoted by in this way. Okay. So now ray. Ray is a part of a line which extends in one direction. You know that the rays are coming from the light. That rays never go back side, they are coming in front direction, means they are coming from the source. So ray is the part of a line, but it is extend in one direction. एक ही डायरेक्शन में रहता है. जैसे कि जो एरो जो दिखाते हैं, दैट इज द रे रहता है, वो एक डायरेक्शन किधर जाना है कोई डायरेक्शन दिखाता है, दोनों डायरेक्शन नहीं दिखाता है. It indicates one direction only, and it extends also in one direction. That is called as a ray. After that, collinear point. All this definition you write from your textbook. Collinear points means what? The points those are lies on same line. They are called collinear point. Collinear point का मतलब क्या होता है? एक ही लाइन पे जितने पॉइंट रहते हैं उसे बोलते हैं collinear lines. ओके, कोलिनियर पॉइंट. जैसा कि खो खो खेलते समय आप लोग एक लाइन में बैठते हैं. सो यू आर सिटिंग इन वन लाइन, इट मींस दैट यू आर इन कोलिनियर, मींस यू आर कोलिनियर. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट, व्हेन all the points when they are lie on the same line, the points those are lies on the same line, they are called collinear point. Okay, after that, now pair of lines. पेयर ऑफ लाइंस के बाद आपको मालूम है पेयर ऑफ लाइंस दैट इज वी हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट द टू लाइंस एट ए टाइम. So while studying about the pair of lines, we have to study that the intersecting line first and then the parallel lines first. So in pair of lines, we have to study these two things only. Intersecting lines means those are crossing. Crossing lines, they are called as intersecting lines, and they are meeting in one point only. Okay. So when two or more lines meet at one point and they are crossing to each other, they are called intersecting lines. When two lines cross each other at a common point, they are called intersecting lines. This much definition you have to write from the textbook. Figure also draw. Then parallel lines. Parallel lines means what? When two or more lines never meet even after extending in both direction. जब ऐसे दो लाइन के जो कितने भी दूर तक एक्सटेंड करने के बाद भी वो मिलते ना एक दूसरों को, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? पैरेलल लाइंस बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल दैट रेलवे ट्रैक, the railway tracks, they are parallel to each other up to infinity distance. So no, they are not crossing. If they are close to each other, then there will be an accident. So that's why that railway track, it is the example of parallel lines. Okay, and then intersecting lines, you know that. So parallel lines means what? When two or more lines never meet each other, whether we extend infinitely, कितना भी लंबा जाने के बाद अगर वो लाइंस एक दूसरे को क्रॉसिंग नहीं होते तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? पैरेलल लाइंस कहा जाता है. और इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस बोले तो क्या? दोज लाइंस क्रॉसिंग टू ईच अदर, दे आर कॉल्ड इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस. परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस मींस व्हाट? परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस, that one line horizontal and another line that vertical. One horizontal and vertical line which makes 90 degree angle. जो 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाते हैं उसे क्या कहा जाता है? परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस कहा जाता है. दे आर मींस दैट प्लस साइन, प्लस साइन, इट इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस. यू ड्रॉ द फिगर एंड आल्सो राइट दैट definition from the textbook. That much definition I can't write here. Now concurrent lines means what? Three or more lines in a plane are said to be concurrent if all of them pass through the same point. So if many lines they are passing through one point only, okay, if many lines they are passing through one point only, they are called concurrent lines. एक पॉइंट में से पास होने वाले नंबर ऑफ लाइंस को क्या कहा जाता है? कॉन्करेंट लाइन कहा जाता है. ठीक है, तो सो ऑल दीज आर द बेसिक कांसेप्ट ऑफ द ज्योमेट्री. ओके, व्हाट वी स्टडी? प्लेन, पॉइंट, लाइन, लाइन सेगमेंट, रे, देन पेयर ऑफ लाइंस में आपने इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस, पैरेलल लाइंस, देन कोलिनियर लाइंस, collinear points. So all these we study, perpendicular lines as well as concurrent lines. So all these definition properly study from your textbook. Okay, I will solve some example from 9A now.